Vadodara, the Sanskar Nagari, the Oxford of Gujarat. Since the beginning of time, shaping and refining children, youth and so the society through its finest universities, schools and institutions. We as Akshar Public School, popularly known as APS, feel exceptionally proud for being an integral part of this marvelous educational revolution in Vadodara, serving one of the greatest needs of any intellectual society, that is holistically educating children since 3 decades. Akshar Public School is an endeavor by Akshar Foundation in Vadodara, catering to the academic needs from nursery to class 12 students. Branches at Sevasi, Nizampura and Tarsali, continuously progressing. The school is affiliated with Gujarat Secondary and Higher Secondary Education Board (GSEB) and has applied for Central Board of Secondary Education (CBSE). The school aspires for excellence to extend the best experience and exposure to the students. The school prides itself in leading the way for your child's academic future in a fun-filled environment. Akshar Public School is spread over a sprawling area of 70,000 square feet amidst the cradle of nature in Vadodara. The school has a truly dynamic learning environment that represents exceptionally high standards of education to all the students. Every child deserves a lively, stimulating learning environment that encourages and cares about their full potential. At Akshar Public School, we don't just educate children, but we shape their minds to think, teach their hearts to care, train their body to strengthen their souls with values. Our aim is to bring out an integrated personality of every child, unleashing their potential and carving them into intellectually competent, ethical, and socially conscious future citizens to tackle global and complex challenges. We learn to serve is our motto. We believe that true happiness can only come through serving others. The aim of the school is to make every child a responsible citizen in the process to make them scholars. Our philosophy is to develop a child-friendly, aesthetically pleasing and stimulating learning environment. We believe that every child has the potential to excel. We help to unleash their potential so that their hidden talents are discovered and nurtured. A good school is a home away from home, but a great school is a better home away from home. The school building is not just a structure of bricks and cement, but an engineering marvel developed on the green school concept. Moreover, interior walls made of forma block helps in maintaining building temperature and increasing comfort levels. These blocks are more durable, earthquake resistant and cost effective. It symbolizes our vision and commitment towards addressing challenges of global warming and climate change. We realize that if you can change a classroom, you can change a community. In our classrooms, we ensure the best of sitting arrangements, teaching learning material, and child-centric ambience and ergonomics. Our classrooms are geared up with top-notch teaching aids, learning objects, toys, and didactic apparatus. If we consider our children as souls of our schools, then of course, our teachers are the divine force which enriches these souls and facilitates them in the direction of being universal citizens. The influence of teachers extends beyond the classroom, well into the future. It is they who shape and enrich the minds of the young, who touch their hearts and souls. It is they who shape a nation's future. And to achieve this highly aspired dream, a team of competent and creative teachers are striving day and night. Our schools are equipped with excellent laboratories for science and information and communication technology. We consider language as a subject as well as medium of instruction, and so concept of language across curriculum is adapted. A child well versed with medium of instruction excels in all the scholastic and co-scholastic subjects. It is said that expression is an art. It is the aesthetic creation of one's internal experiences. To cater and promote the diverse needs and dreams of children, we have given enough emphasis on arts, craft, sports, culture and creation. We believe that each child is a born artist and athlete, and we create situations and circumstances by providing high-class teachers, facilities and opportunities through which artists, painters, musicians, sculptors, singers, designers, dancers, actors and sportspersons are manifested. Yoga and mind power development are promoted systematically as a hidden curriculum. To complement the yoga, exercises and mind power classes, it is essential to provide nutritious food and maintain hygienic standards of dining area. Our menus are designed by nutrition experts, keeping the developmental and growth-related requirements of the children. To maintain children's health and pace of learning, it is critical to provide clean and hygienic sanitation facilities. Considering the social challenges of school and children's safety, we have come up with a 360-degree safer school concept. Surveillance cameras and qualified security staff are one of the aspects of these highly safe securities. To bring the virtue of equity among our children and promote the sense of equality among them, we provide various design experiences to them. One of the interventions in this direction to bring the sense of uniformity is our well-designed uniforms. Though we have visualized an education system where there are no high-stake assessments, to compete with harsh realities of present examination, to live up to the expectations of parents and guardians, we have attained a level of excellence in board examinations without pressurizing our children by using child-friendly methodologies of teaching, learning, and motivating them compassionately. We have achieved 100% results and grabbed the place among top 10 achievers. We invite you to visit and explore one of our branches nearer to you to experience our child-friendly schools and state-of-the-art facilities, and request you to interact freely with our administrators to understand our child-centric philosophies and principles, way of teaching, learning and holistic development. APS, Akshar Public School. Educate, enlighten, empower. Enroll today.